Good morning. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Okay, I'm on my another job. Another example of what people can call for. Like, this guy called me. I was here pressure washing, and somebody like four-wheel through some mud hole, and he was like, you know what, let's put the fence up. Do you know how to put the fence up? I said, yeah, right, I can. So I went buy some split rail fence, just 3 posts and 4 rails, so that shouldn't be hard. And that the ground, it's soaking wet, so hopefully digging will go good. So another job, another day at Smokies. Okay, so I got it kinda staged up. He asked me last time if I could make a little trench here, so I'm going to start that first. Make a little opening on one side. You see, it's just when it's raining, it's just water coming down from these hills and going right through here, there in the creek. So I'm going to start because I got a couple of service calls to do, so let's knock it up. Okay guys, I gotta dig it out. I'm gonna wash my shoes. Yeah, it wasn't that easy how I thought, but I saved some money on the hole digger. So I'm gonna get me a concrete, put those posts up, screw it together, and let's do a couple of service calls. How beautiful it is here. Okie dokie. Guys, so I got it. I poured that concrete straight into it because there's like feet of water, so hopefully that concrete will dry good. Probably not really good, but hopefully through the winter will dry up. Guys, I got it. I'm kinda excited, looks pretty good. It's nothing hard, you know. But I got it. Now owner called me, where am I? So I told him I'm finishing the fence up here and I'm going to do a couple of service calls in his cabin, so that shouldn't be hard. Maybe I will go buy the Christmas tree. I don't know. My wife wants me to go buy the turkey, but I'm not really a fan of turkey. I'd rather eat the ham than turkey, but it's all about wives.